Hi everyone, welcome back to I Like Spanish, and today I'm going to show you how to pronounce the alphabet in Spanish. Let's start. When we are learning any language, the first thing what we need to do is start from the basics. So that's not exception. Today I'm going to show you, as I told you before, how to pronounce the alphabet in Spanish. And okay, let's start. The first one is A. A. The next one is B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. The next one is ñ. It's like N, but with the longest pronunciation with your tongue. Ñ, ñ. O, O. P, P. Q, Q. R, R. This one is a little bit difficult for foreigners because you need to do you need to vibrate your tongue with your teeth over here. Rrr, like a car when it's rrr, it's almost the same. Rrr, rrr, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Obviously, if you are starting with your Spanish lessons, it will be a little difficult, but you only need to practice every single pronunciation, and little by little it will be easy. So if you guys have any doubt about how to pronunciate and the letter specifically, please leave below the comments, and I'm gonna try to help you with that. And also, if you have doubts or something as well, let me know in the comments, and I will respond ASAP. And that's all. Okay guys, thank you for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if you are enjoying this video, share with your friends, and see you next time.